Babe, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Tell it to the camera.
No, my hindi. Is Christina here?
What?
Christina here?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
No.
We have ice. We're throwing ice at the Mexicans.
You're not throwing one?
Yeah. Oh no. No, it's melting on my desk. It's cold. Oh, it's dark. Turn off the light.
No, they're gonna know.
Stop!
Give me it. Give me it.
Don't let them hear you. Come here, Rusty.